So I am in, and it's the Puerta Madrid, a Silken Hotel. I've literally just got here, so it's only 15 minutes from the airport, which is great. I'm guessing that's this room. Yes, the water droplet. Interesting. Okay, so I'm on the first floor. Check-in was fine. So what have we got? Bathroom. I don't know my pet. Oh, like if it is good. So it's refillable. Perfect. I'm only here one night, to be fair. Go to Lisbon tomorrow. Oh, don't often see them branded. Right, a bit better. So a separate shower and bath. Toilet and bidet. Of course, a phone should you get bored. And yeah. Right, what have we got? Safe. That's it. Apparently this is a run of the room or something. So you've got twin room. There's this weird thing going on in Madrid at the moment, Spain in general. So the rooms in public places can't be cooler than 27 degrees Celsius. So the Fahrenheit's at the bottom. So that'll be pleasant later. So you got USB-A charging. Oh, USB-A on both sides. Handy. It is quite cool in here, to be fair. Right. Oh, charming view. Yeah, it only took 15 minutes to get here. Uber was really nicely signposted, and I arrived in Terminal 4, so that was all good. So it's all, COVID rules are still quite prevalent here, so you had to wear a mask from the UK to Madrid, and you're supposed to wear it in the airport, and they ask you for your proof of vaccine. If you're not fully vaccinated, then you have to give a negative COVID test. Okay, well, this is it. Not bad. I mean, this room is being billed at 94 euros for the night. It's a Sunday, but that's 94 euros bed and breakfast for one night, which I think is pretty good value. Oh, there's a little fridge. I didn't notice that. There's nothing in it. Cool. Okay, I mean, I don't know what star rating it is. I'm sure Tim will put it at the bottom of the video. Not bad.